Alright, not actually sure if you can see me, but just thought I would show you exactly how I'm bending these bars. So I couldn't remember the actual length, so I had to figure it out again. So here's the one to kind of match those. Each one of these is 18.5 inches, and you'll see right here, got a little red mark. So all I do with my blanks is I bring my blanks in to that position right there, and then I pull up. So yeah, let me show you what that looks like. Be forewarned, I am a hefty fellow. Basically 90 degrees. I'll let the scale off. Yeah. Alright, that's good enough. And then good to go. So once again, no, I did not get enough metal. I only have, I think that's all I need for this, and then I have 3 more, so I need to go buy another 40 or something inches to get the last 2 for the second one. So yeah. Alright, so the next step is I need to chamfer, just grind down all these edges right here, because my welder is really only supposed to weld up to like 1/4 inch or so without issue and with full penetration. So I need to get the diameter closer to 1/4 of an inch. Now I'm welding it to 3/16 bar, which is just this stuff. Those are 3/16 wires. But so this stuff's fine to weld to, but I need to get these bars a little bit more narrow. And it ends up being okay to do that because you just take the welding rod and you fill it in, and then if it's not quite built up enough, you just do another pass and fill it up again, because it'll be enough. It will weld into that material, it just won't go full thickness. So as long as you get a good root pass that has full depth, full thickness, then you can put shallower welds that don't go all the way through on top of that one, and it'll still end up being one continuous solid pool of welded metal when it's all said and done. So I just need to go through real quick with the grinder and get all this stuff with the chamfer. So I didn't do quite as good a job when I made what's already there, and so it was kind of a pain to weld some of that, but we'll see. Hopefully this goes better. That is definitely the better way to go, spinning the clamp there. So yeah, those are pretty good. Alright, so I wanted to show kind of a cool thing. This is how I sharpen my my tungstens. So I just bought this little jig right here, and you just screw it on to just any old rotary tool, and you just drop that in there and tighten her down. Okay, so that's all tightened. And then what you do, so this is a 3/16, sorry, this is a 3/32 tungsten, and there's just a little collet right here. So I can grind a 3/32 down to a 20-degree angle. So this is just a little diamond wheel. So all I do is just put this guy in here and just let it grind away the tip as I spin it like that. So just kind of cool. Thought I'd show you. All right. Hopefully you can see that okay. But it's super even, and to make it even a little bit better, I just stuck it in the drill, and I was able to get every single one of my tungstens done in like 10 minutes total. So it worked really well. So as you can see, I have a super awesome setup right here. What I need to do now is I need to go through and I need to grind all the places, at least the first 3 places where I'm going to have the rungs, so that I can set the width on this and then make sure it's all parallel and everything like that. So I guess while I'm at it, I might as well do a 4 because I really only have enough to do 4 on each of these. So I'll just do that. Yeah, so I'm just going to go through and clean up 4 spots on this, and then start getting these set up nice and parallel at the right width. So yeah, that's the plan. Yes. Alright, I'm real good at this. So, I did all of it. So, yeah, I got it all measured out. But, yeah, so then I just put little tack welds around each of those. And then went back and put just a little bit of filler rod into another end. So that one right there has filler. And that one right there is just the tack. So, yeah, it did not obviously show any of that, but it's ready to go. It should hold its position now. I can just go ahead and completely weld all of it in. So, I don't think I have time for that today. Nope, probably only have like another 20 minutes maybe. Probably gotta get cleaned up. So, anyways, so for next time, I should be able to get pretty much all the stuff welded in. But yeah, so talk to you guys later.